So the official Twitter account of Binance, they made an announcement some days back. They said we would love to see all your hashtag my crypto wish entries so far. Um, you now have until January 10th to share your New Year wishes. Hurry and share your my crypto wish. 10 of them will come true. So basically, Binance is giving the community opportunity for them to share their crypto wish, and 10 of those wishes will be granted, most especially when it comes to Binance listing some cryptocurrencies. For those of you that don't know, Binance is the biggest exchange platform in the world by market cap, the biggest crypto exchange platform in the world. They're taking the number one position, and so many cryptocurrencies, once they get listed on Binance, they become bigger than the way they are. They become explosive, and it's always a challenge for meme tokens to actually find listing on Binance. It took a while before Dogecoin could break that jinx. Then Shiba Inu followed, and right now so many meme tokens have succeeded, but they are yet to be listed on big centralized exchange platform like Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, and different big exchange platforms. So with this my crypto wish, a lot of people are using this opportunity to fight for their own project, their meme tokens to be listed on Binance. And from my research so far, can see so many projects that are really pushing this move for them to be listed on Binance. One of them on this my crypto wish that is using this strategy is Safemoon. Safemoon is a very big project so far. It has been very successful during the launch early last year, and the migration of Safemoon to Safemoon 2.0. Although as at last year, Safemoon did not really do much in terms of launching project and utility, but a lot of people are tipping Safemoon to be very successful in 2022 because of some projects they have behind the scene. If you want to know more about Safemoon project, you can go on to check my previous videos. I've explained so many stuff on Safemoon, but Safemoon is trying to see if they can get listed on Binance with the my crypto wish opportunity. And the idea behind this is the fact that Safemoon has very strong community, very large amount of followership and holders. People holding Safemoon are much, so Safemoon is trying to see if they can get listed on Binance. Hopefully this works for them. Then Kishu, Kishu is a very big community as well. They have over 252,000 holders, and it's a meme coin too, a meme coin, and they're also trying to get listed on Binance. Now, one of the criteria for you to get listed on Binance, apart from so many other factors that follows, you need to have a very good following. You have to have good community utility and minimum of 200,000 holders. And how did I find out this information? There was a time I was reviewing an interview that CZ, the CEO of Binance, had with Forbes magazine, Forbes News. That was sometime last year, towards the end of last year. That was where he explained that there are so many factors, but one major factor is your followership, the number of people holding your token. So having 252,000 holders also gives Kishu the opportunity to get listed on Binance. Wakanda Inu has over 100,000 holders, but then Wakanda Inu is an African meme token. It's still new in the crypto phase. For now, Wakanda Inu doesn't have utility, but it has prospect, and hopefully the Wakanda Inu is also pushing to get listed on Binance. He said my crypto wish is to see Wakanda Inu listed on Binance. We don't know if that is going to happen now anytime soon. The same thing with Babydoge coin. So many popular crypto platform, their wish is to get listed on Binance, and majority of them are meme tokens. But I feel Babydoge coin, the community are really pushing and really fighting for them to get listed. If you look at the comment of this post, majority of them are Babydoge coin. Then Floki Inu is a very successful meme token too. Got inspiration from Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu also wants to get listed on Binance. Now Babydoge coin has over 1.1 million holders, and is a very successful meme token, one of the most successful. And if they get listed on Binance, it could mean so much. Like one of the token I'm seeing massively pushing to get listed on Binance is Babydoge coin, everywhere Babydoge coin. So Safemoon, Babydoge coin, Floki Inu, Wakanda Inu, those tokens are pushing to be listed on Binance. Let's see, hopefully the one that will get listed. I just said I should update you guys, so don't be surprised if you see any of these tokens listed on Binance anytime soon. It's going to happen, just believe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I have more updates you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you more crypto content. Okay guys, that is the news.